Recently asked question on heme synthesis. Heme synthesis. Succinyl coenzyme A, yes, it is given in your handouts, bind with glycine to form delta aminolevulinic acid by aminolevulinic acid synthase. Okay. Aminolevulinic acid synthase is a rate limiting enzyme for heme synthesis. Rate limiting enzyme in heme synthesis. We found that synthase may be of two having two isoenzymatic form, synthase first and synthase second. First is present in liver or hepatic tissue, liver. Okay. Second is present in erythroid. Okay. This is recently asked question of NB. Yes, they will ask rate limiting enzyme of heme synthesis in liver. Then answer will be synthase first. Erythroid tissue, synthase second. Clear? Now delta aminolevulinic acid is converted to porphobilinogen by dehydratase, and this dehydratase is inhibited by lead poisoning. Point it out. Lead poisoning inhibit dehydratase, not synthase. These questions are asked and we are usually confused between synthase and dehydratase. So lead poisoning inhibit, yes, dehydratase, not synthase. And if frequently asked question, lead poisoning also inhibit ferrochelatase.